This is Sheikh Asif, and today I'm going to explain about my resume. And using this resume, I got shortlisted in various companies like Infosys and EY and TCS and Deloitte, and regularly get interview calls from the Naukri and various job portals. Like, I'm not saying that it's a guaranteed job resume, but I will explain how its resume helped me to get the shortlisted in various companies and the what keys you should keep in your resume. Okay, let's start with the header section. In the header section you should must be place your name and role and contact details, and if you have a LinkedIn profile you should mention your complete LinkedIn profile URL at the top of the resume. This header section should be mandatory, you should mention your name and role and contact details at the top of your resume. And the common mistake the most of the developers do the defining the role, like you should mention software engineer only if you have a below 3 years. Like if you have a more seniors, just mention senior software engineer. If you are a fresher also, just mention software engineers. It will help to shortlist in various positions. Okay, let's come to the professional summary. Here I mentioned my year of experience and the technical skills I have in my experience, I have used in my experience, and the process and the execution process of development I use in my experience, and the interest in the learning new technologies. Like this section will help to recruiters to either they should continue reading with my resume or move forward with others. Okay, the freshers also mention their skills of they use it in their projects and internships all also. Just summarize your skills, summarize your experience, and summarize your process you use for developing, and put in the professional summary section. And at least it should be at least 4 to 5 points. Okay, and next comes to the section called experience section. Here I'm I clearly declare that I have 3 years of experience in the period of I started my career, and the company where I work on that. If you have different companies, just list out in the bullet points and the period of duration of your company. Okay, then comes to the skill section where I just I group the all my skills properly instead of dumping all the skills at the one place. Just I group my skills properly. Like I mentioned, programming languages and the web technologies I know, and the database I know, and the cloud section. In the cloud, I have what are the technologies I know in the cloud section. Okay, and the frameworks and the project management tools, other tools. I just properly organize my skills. This will help to recruiter to just segregate my skills and to identify the in the web technologies what the skills I have, and in the programming languages what skills I have, in the database how many database I know. This will help to the recruiter as well as ATS also, to like ATS will search the skills from based on the keys. Okay, just summarize, properly arrange your skills, group your skills and customize all the properly. For the freshers also, just follow this format. Like you have some fewer skills, like just mention though for each and every section, just mention one skills also is enough. Okay, just in the programming language, just mention you as one programming language if you have a one only. And the web technology you can mention HTML, CSS, JavaScript, which is a basics, and database at least you should know one database. Okay, and if you don't know the scripting language, just remove it. If you don't know cloud language, just remove it. Just mention just group the properly your skills. Okay, next important section is projects and professional experience section. Like it's a key of your resume. Here, like I'm in my experience, work on 3 different projects, and for each and every project I mention my role and the duration and the project description and roles responsibility and tech stack. Like it will give the clarity to the recruiters, like how many years of experience do you have in the particular skills, and how many projects you like different skills where we use, and the how many time the duration of the time you use in the particular skills. It will give the clarity to the recruiters. Okay, like let's start with the one project. So I will explain one project. Here I mentioned the duration and role and domain, the project description. After that, key responsibilities and tech stack. Like mainly in the project section, you should highlight your key responsibilities and the tech stack you use in the particular project. For writing the responsibilities, there is a one hack. There is a one logic for writing the each and every responsibility. Like you should follow the one logic, like you should mention one skill, not one skill, you can mention multiple skills. Along with that, the purpose you use the particular skills, like I will explain one line, like developed and maintain the REST APIs using Node.js and Python with Fast API for payroll and compliance workflow. Here the skills is Node.js and Python. The purpose I use for developing the REST APIs. Like that, you should write each and every in the each and every line. You should write one skill and the purpose why you use this skills in your project. Okay, then comes to the tech stacks, like you should mention the tech stack, but mandatory just in this project, what are the tech stack you use in your particular project. It will helpful for the recruiters, like they will identify that how many years of experience do you have in the particular skills, each and every skills. Okay, it will help the recruiter to identify that. And just follow the same, like I just now said, that there is only one logic to write the roles and responsibilities, skills and the purpose for using your in your projects. Okay, for each and every line should written the like that only. And it comes to the achievements and certification section, it's not mandatory, but it will create impact on your resume. Just mention your certifications and achievements like a hackathon and college recognitions, all those things. And at the last, education section, education section should be at the last only. Like just mention one education, like higher your higher education, just mention one education which is a higher education in your history. Like I mentioned only my BTech education, which is completed in the 2022, which is affiliated to JNTU University and the, from college. Like if you're non-IT background, don't mention the stream. Like I am a civil engineer background, that's why I not mention my particular branch like a stream in my resume. Okay, if you are pursuing, also just put a higher education and the completion expected completion year. Okay, and the common mistake the freshers and the experienced person will do, like they will add their personal details and the declarations and the soft skills and the strengths. Don't add these things in your resume, it will just eat your resume space. Okay, and the photo of your profile photo, they will add someone add their profile photo. Don't add these things in your resume. Just your resume should be fully professional. It should be your skills and the projects you have done and your contact details. Okay, these and the structure should you follow mandate, like professional summary at the top, and experience, then skills, then project you have work on, then achievements and certifications you work on, then educations. Okay, and if you want this format, this template, resume template, just comment your email ID and I will share this Word document with you. And I'm planning to create one more video, like how you can update your Naukri profile. Like if you have best resume template and you don't have a proper profile in Naukri, it may chances to not shortlisted. And like I will explain how you can maintain your Naukri profile and how can you update and how you can apply for that to get interview calls and shortlisted. And just please share this video with your friends and who is looking for the job and job change, and just they need to create strong resume. Share with them, and the freshers also just follow this format, all this format only. And it's hopefully it will helpful for all the freshers and experienced persons. Yeah, thank you guys.